Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have three things in common, no matter what type of cell they are. All cells have a cell membrane which separates the inside the cell from its environment. Cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell genetic material. There are two broad categories of cells. The fifth category is eukaryote cell. They are organelles which include the nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryote cells are more advanced complex cells, such as those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryote cell. They don't have a nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles. They don't have genetic material but it's contained with a nucleus. Prokaryote cells are always on cells or unicellular organisms with as bacteria.
Organelles meets the lead organ. Organelles are the special parts of the cell that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA detects what the cell is going to do and how it is going to do it. Chromatin, the nucleus spreads out from of DNA found inside the nuclear member. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA consists into a structured kernel of chromosome. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leaving to nucleus, they will have the important jobs of system or making protein. Outside the nucleus, the ribosome and the rest of the organelles float around in cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substrate. Ribosome made wanders freely within the cytoplasm or attached to endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abstracted as ER.
The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane enclosed password for transporting materials, such as proteins synthesized by proteins and other materials. Emerging from the endoplasmic reticulum is small vesicles where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called the Golgi body, receives them. As proteins move through the Golgi body, they consume in forms that the cell can use. The Golgi body does this by folding the proteins or adding other materials on the them, such as lipids or carbohydrates. Vacuoles are slack limb structures that store different materials. Here is plant cell. The central vacuole stores water. Going back to the animal cell, using an organelle called a lysosome. Lysosomes are the bird collectors that detect in damage or well. They are filled with enzymes that break down this cell debris.
The, the mitochondria is an organ that is powered for both animal and plant cells. During a process cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP molecules that provide the energy for all the cell's activities. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Meanwhile, the cell mate it is shaped from a cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton includes the dendritic microfilaments, which are made of protein, and microtubules, which are the thin hollow tubes. Some are which, as planet, are the autotropic, meaning they captured sunlight for energy, have circuit organs carried a cytochloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It is green because it's a green pigment carries chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside or their cell member that shape, support, and project that plant cell. Animal cells need have a cell wall. There are many of the onky structures that only some cells have are the gibbs feet. In human example, the respiratory tract is linked with cells that have ceiling. These are microscopic cartilage projects that can move in hours. Organs meets the deleted organ. Organs are the special parts of the cell that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA detects what the cell is going to do and how it is going to do it. Chromatin, the tangulus spreads out from of DNA found outside the nuclear member. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA concept into a structured kernel of chromosome. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leaving to nucleus, they will have the important jobs of system or making protein. Outside the nucleus, the ribosome and the rest of the organelles float around in cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substrate. Ribosome made wanders freely within the cytoplasm or attached to endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abstracted as ER.
The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-enclosed password for transporting materials, such as proteins synthesized by proteins and other materials. Emerging from the endoplasmic reticulum is small vesicles where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called the Golgi body, receives them. As proteins move through the Golgi body, they consume in forms that the cell can use. The Golgi body does this by folding the proteins or adding other materials on the them, such as lipids or carbohydrates. Vacuoles are slightly structures that store different materials. Here is plant cell. The central vacuole stores water, Going back to the animal cell, you see non-organelle carried a lysosome. Lysosomes are the bird collectors that detect in damage or whether they are filled with enzymes that break down this cell debris.
The, the mitochondria is an organ that is powered for both animal and plant cells. During a process cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP molecules that provide the energy for all the cell's activities. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Meanwhile, the cell mate it is shaped from a cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton includes the dendritic microfilaments, which are made of protein, and microtubules, which are the thin hollow tubes. Some of which are planted are the photoautotropic, meaning they capture sunlight for energy. Have cell with organisms carried a cytochloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It is green because it's a green pigment carried chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside or their cell membrane that shape, support, and project that plant cell. Animal cells need have a cell wall. There are many of the only structures that only some cells have are the ribs feet. In human example, the respiratory tract is linked with cells that have cilium. These are microscopic cartilage projects that can move in hours.
Another unique feature in some cells in flagella. Some bacteria have flagella. A flagellum is like a little that can help a cell move about itself. The only human cell that has a flagellum is a sperm cell. In summary, remember, eukaryote cells are plant animal cells with a nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles, while prokaryote cells are unicellular organisms with these things. All cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material, and even though only a plant cell, but an animal cell have mitochondria. Another unique feature in some cells in flagella. Some bacteria have flagella. A flagellum is like a little that can help a cell move about itself. The only human cell that has a flagellum is a sperm cell. In summary, remember, eukaryote cells are plant animal cells with a nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles, while prokaryote cells are unicellular organisms with these things. All cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material, and even though only a plant cell, but an animal cell have mitochondria.